Hi, in this video I'm going to give 5 tips for starting real estate agents. If you do not know me yet, my name is Marty. I'm a licensed real estate broker, a freelance software developer, a VP for sales and marketing for a real estate developer, now a YouTuber and a father of 2 dogs. I've been in the business for almost 3 years now, and I'm doing this because I want to help my fellow real estate people. If you want more tips about real estate, please like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload more videos. Without further ado, these are 5 tips for starting real estate agents. The first one is do not be afraid. Entering the real estate business can be overwhelming, especially if you do not have any experience with it. Be brave and be willing to learn, and everything will be okay. Lahat naman tayo nagsimula sa wala. Lahat naman ng bagay kung bibigyan ng oras at tiyaga, magiging okay, di ba? So huwag kang matakot, huwag kang mangamba, tiwala lang. So yung na-experience ko kasi, nag-start pala ako ng review for the licensure for brokerage, for being broker. And yung mga nakilala ko doon is may mga experiences na. So medyo overwhelming, nakakatakot kasi sila may mga nabenta na, may mga clients na sila, may mga contacts nila. Pero ako, syempre, wala pa akong background, wala pa akong experiences, wala pa akong listing, wala pa akong client. So, medyo nakakatakot nga siya. Pero, as time goes on, may mga mamimit ka, may mga mabibenta ka na rin. Lalo na ako, syempre, kapag sisipagan mo. Nakakatakot din sa simula kasi sariling pera mo yung gagamitin para sa mga gastusin, like yung mga transpo mo for marketing materials. Pero depende, if in-house agent ka, pwedeng sagot ng developer. Pero for me, I started with general brokerage, so sariling gastos ko lahat. My point is, regardless if wala ka pang nabibenta, or wala ka pang kliyente, or wala ka pang listing, but if you work hard and you work smart, everything will be okay. The second is, get ready to handle rejections. Not all clients will buy all of your listings, so eventually you will get rejected and make mistakes. But learn from them and be better. Huwag kang malungkot kung hindi binili ng kliyente mo yung isa sa mga listings mo. Importante na hindi ka mawala ng pag-asa at loob at ipagpatuloy na maging masipag at matyaga. Sa real estate, marami kang mamimit na tao. May mga mamimit ka na sobrang bait na kliyente, may mga mamimit ka na sobrang pintasera, may mamimit ka na dadalhin mo sa property tapos buong barangay yung kasama niya, may mamimit ka naman na dadalhin mo sa property tapos may dalang kaibigan, may dalang biyanan, kamag-anak, tapos sila yung magpipintas dun sa property hanggat di nabili ng kliyente. The point is to prepare yourself for these kind of situations, and if ever na reject kayo ng client, you always treat them with respect and you move on. The third tip is to get a mentor. So you can get great experiences, great stories, great wisdom from our fellow experienced agents. Maswerte ako kasi licensed broker din yung nanay ko, and yung father ko naman has experiences with real estate development. Sa real estate, marami tayong ma-encounter na situations. And yung mga situations na to, kailangan sure tayo kasi there's little room for error sa real estate. Lalo na kung property yung pinag-uusapan. Baka pwede maging void yung contract or something like that. So it's best to ask for questions. Fourth is to be transparent. Never tell lies about your listings because someday it can backfire and damage your credibility. Kapag tinanong ng client na binabahaba sa lugar, sabihin mo yung totoo. Kung tinanong ng client kung may namatay na ba sa bahay na binibenta mo, sabihin mo yung totoo. Dahil pangalan, imahe, at kredibilidad mo yung nakataya dito. Gusto ko lang sana matakal yung overpricing kasi may mga kilala akong mga agents na nag-overprice ang properties, and may advice is huwag nyo na i-overprice kasi malaki pa rin naman yung makukuha yung commission regardless if itaas nyo yung presyo or hindi. Isa sa mga possible problems is hindi nyo napag-usapan with the seller yung overpricing, especially if nag-meet na yung client and seller and hindi nyo nga napag-usapan. Mawawala yung credibility nyo as an agent and may possibility na hindi matuloy yung sale dahil dito. Again, the tip is always be transparent. The fifth and last tip for starting real estate agents is to always get an authority to sell and register your prospect buyers. This serves as your protection if ever the buyer goes directly to the seller. Ang ginagawa ko is nagpe-prepare na ako ng mga authority to sell and papapirma ko na kagad if may gusto magpabenta sa akin. Kung may nag-i-inquire naman na client, especially sa social media, sasabihin ko na kagad yung seller para ma-register yung names nila. Kasi hindi natin may iwasan talaga na may mga buyers na dediretso sa sellers So mawawalan ka pa ng komisyon. And may possibility na hindi ka i-honor ng seller if wala kang authority to sell. Kasi hindi natin masasabi, may mga iba-iba rin kasi mga ugali ng mga nagpapabenta sa atin. So these are 5 tips for starting real estate agents. If you have questions, comments, or violent reactions, comment down below. I'll be giving more tips in the future, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified. See you in the next video, and happy selling!